title of this lecture is Hydrology, the Hydrology of Extreme Events and Floods and Flash Floods. We'll start out with a picture of the Colorado flood in September 2013. And we see how these big, massive flood crossed the city of Boulder and cities in northern Colorado. Different streams that are potential, generators of floods. You see how the characteristics of these mountain basins are steep slopes, really snow-covered and impermeable surfaces upstream in the headwater catchments, where you have bedrock and stuff that can trigger, that can respond fast to a storm event. So basically, the water gets collected in the watersheds and, all accumulates, and the total response is huge at the basin outlet. The basin outlet is basically the point at the end of the basin that collects all the water. It's like if you were putting water in a bucket and you make a hole in the bucket. That's the outlet of the basin, right? So if we have really heavy winter, really rainy winter, this spring, this subsequent spring is going to be really busy in terms of water melting down the snow and going down the watershed and generating deep floods. So this used to happen in northern states, in Alaska, or in Michigan or north here, where the topography and the snow is a big generator of floods. Now we can also have rain on frozen or wet soil. What does it mean? Well, if we have an area saturated with water, a soil saturated, like I was showing last time, I was here, during the last 10 minutes, it showed a really such area. Let's talk a little bit about what generates a flood. We basically have 5 types of causes or triggers. One of them can be developed in snow regions, snow-covered regions, or snow-covered basins. It basically is the result of the melt. We have like an impermeable land cover, like a parking lot, like an urban setting. How do you think the watershed is going to respond? Is it going to respond faster, slower, more runoff, less runoff? Anybody? More runoff, right? Because basically soil is impermeable. Everything that rains runs off, right? Okay. So let's discuss about evaporation. What happens if I have a big storm during a season of high evapotranspiration, like summer? Like it's really hot, dry, the soil is dry, and a big storm is coming, isolated. Nothing has, it hasn't rained in 2 months. What do you think is going to happen? It's going to be a big flood,